Dealing with excess humidity can feel like an uphill battle, especially during those damp seasons when mold and mildew threaten your home. Choosing the right dehumidifier can make all the difference in creating a comfortable and healthy environment. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 dehumidifiers available on Amazon in 2026, highlighting their unique features and benefits. Stick around to discover our #1 pick that could transform your living space and take control of unwanted moisture. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, links in the description. KeepGlad Dehumidifier. The KeepGlad Dehumidifier is an excellent choice for those who seek a compact yet powerful solution for humidity control in small to medium-sized rooms. With a 500 milliliters capacity, this unit efficiently absorbs moisture, making it ideal for spaces like bedrooms, bathrooms, and closets. One of its standout features is the quiet operation, allowing you to run it unobtrusively at night. Additionally, its energy-efficient design means you won't see a dramatic increase in your utility bills. However, it's worth noting that in larger rooms, you may need to run it continuously to maintain optimal performance. BEDRED Dehumidifier. For those battling high humidity levels in their homes, the BEDRED Dehumidifier offers robust performance with a sleek design. This model features a 1,500 milliliters water tank that not only collects moisture efficiently, but also has an automatic shutoff feature when the tank is full, providing peace of mind. It's perfect for family rooms or larger bedrooms where humidity can accumulate, especially in summer. Users appreciate its portability, making it easy to move from room to room as needed. However, some users have reported that the fan can be somewhat noisy on the highest setting, which may be a drawback during nighttime use. Dehumidifier. The dehumidifier stands out for its versatility and user-friendly features. With a capacity of 2,000 milliliters, this unit is designed to tackle humidity in larger spaces, such as basements or living rooms. Its LED display allows for easy monitoring and control, and the unit includes a continuous drainage option for those who don't want to fuss with emptying the water tank. It's particularly advantageous for households with allergies, as it effectively reduces mold spores and dust mites. One minor drawback is its weight, which can make it cumbersome to move around, especially for elderly users. PSOS Dehumidifier. The PSOS Dehumidifier is tailored for consumers looking for an efficient, high-capacity unit that caters to diverse home environments. With a remarkable 2,500 milliliters tank, it excels in managing humidity in large spaces, making it ideal for open-plan homes or workshops. Users rave about its quiet operation and energy efficiency, often noting significant improvements in air quality. Moreover, the built-in hygrostat allows for precise humidity control, ensuring that your environment remains comfortable without excessive energy consumption. One slight downside is that the initial setup may be slightly complicated for users who are not tech-savvy. Waykar 80 Pints 2026 Energy Star Dehumidifier. Taking the top spot is the Waykar 80 Pints 2026 Energy Star Dehumidifier, which is designed to handle even the most challenging humidity issues. With its impressive capacity and Energy Star rating, this unit not only removes a substantial amount of moisture, up to 80 pints per day, but does so while maintaining low energy consumption. This makes it perfect for large homes or areas prone to dampness, like basements. Users appreciate the continuous drainage feature, ensuring they don't have to worry about emptying the tank frequently. The sleek design and easy-to-use digital interface enhance its appeal. Nevertheless, some users do find that it's on the heavier side, making relocation a bit tricky. In conclusion, finding the right dehumidifier can drastically improve your home's comfort and health. Each of these 5 options brings something unique to the table. Whether you need a compact solution or a powerful unit for large spaces, there's a perfect fit for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more great content. Check out the links in the description for the best deals on these products.